This is my version of building a set. Plants, have my outdoor equipment and workout equipment, my Easter candy from my mom, and then an Indo board. So hey guys, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to be talking about something related to sleep. So if you are not aware, which if you've seen any of my other videos, you're probably aware, I'm an insomniac. I have problems sleeping, whether that is problems falling asleep, problems staying asleep, going back to sleep, or both. Right now I'm kind of struggling with going back to sleep. I'm not really having problems falling asleep, but it always changes. Fun. So my mom actually sent me a product that I've been trying for a couple days, so I wanted to introduce it, tell you about it, and then kind of give you my initial thoughts on the product. I haven't been using it for very long, so I can't really give like a full review on the product, but I have used it a couple nights, so I can give kind of initial impression. So this is called a Dodow, and my mom sent me this. She purchased it, sent it to me. It's not sponsored. I am gonna put a link below that is also not sponsored. Very simple, really easy to use, pretty simple to explain, so this should be pretty quick to go through. It is by a company called Live Lab. It's pretty small and compact, and then on the top there is a little light, and basically what it does is it projects a light on the ceiling that gets bigger and smaller to a rhythm of, I think, 6 or 8 seconds. And so what you're supposed to do is follow the rhythm with your breathing. So as the circle expands on the ceiling, you inhale, and as it gets smaller, you exhale. It's supposed to kind of help you slow your breathing down to a very calm rhythm, and then also sort of distraction or helping you to focus on something so you're not just focused on your thoughts. So I just keep this on my nightstand by my bed. You obviously want to keep it somewhere within reach, and I try to keep it out of the way of my partner so it's not disturbing. I don't really have problems falling asleep right now. I pretty much just put something on TV, which I know you're not really supposed to do that, but I have been using this when I wake up in the middle of the night and go back to sleep. And I've just been putting it on the 8-minute cycle, I think, but there's a 20-minute cycle also. And then all you want to do to turn it on is you just touch the top, and that's it. And you touch it twice to set the 20-minute cycle. Once is going to be the 8-minute cycle, and then to turn it off, you just put your finger on it and hold. Initially, I completely called BS on this product, like I do with most sleep related products, because I pretty much assume that they're not gonna work. If you have severe insomnia or a lot of problems sleeping, I'm sure you can probably relate to being disappointed by most things that people are gonna recommend to you. I also will say one critique I have of this that also affected my initial impression is it's a blue light, which you typically want to avoid at night, and it is kind of bright. So to fix that, I just kind of put a pillow in front of me so it kind of blocks the light, this light, but I can still see the light projecting on the ceiling, no problem. So that kind of fixed that problem. And then I did read online that you can adjust the brightness for one. I don't remember how to do that, but I believe you can do that. That being said, for probably the past month or so, I've been waking up every night, and it's taken me between 2 to 4 hours to fall back asleep. Pretty much every night. It's just the routine that I'm in right now. I've been using this to also calm my breathing, and I've been falling back asleep within less than 10 minutes. So take that how you want. I'm gonna keep trying to use it. I did find it a little frustrating to follow the rhythm. It just isn't my natural breathing rhythm, and so I was getting a little frustrated trying to like keep in sync with the light. That does also kind of take your mind off whatever you're thinking about and force you to focus on your breath, which is the whole point of this to begin with. So I guess it works. All right, so that is my initial impression of the Dodow. Again, I will put a link below. Feel free to check it out and purchase if you would like. I'm not getting anything from that, whether or not that matters to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it. You can find me over on Instagram at SimpleCareSteph. Check out my website, simplecareproducts.com, for natural skincare products. Please remember to like this video and subscribe if you found this helpful. I would appreciate it, and it will let you know when I upload new videos so you can watch them. Alright, hope you guys are enjoying these shorter videos. I apologize. This is a little bit challenging for me. I know I was trying to keep them under 2 minutes and that is just not working out. But I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.